guys, so debarkation was really easy. We've been off the ship since 7:30 a.m. this morning, and now we are at LAX because we're catching a flight to Hawaii, Oahu, and getting on the Pride of America tomorrow. So stay tuned for those videos coming up real soon. All right, let's go. All right, guys, and since we had quite a bit of credit with Hawaiian Airlines, we decided to splurge a little and go first class. So I'm really excited to see what that's like. All right, so my jacket came off because from when we checked in or when we went through security to our gate, it's about a 20-minute walk. So that's a mile, you guys. So I got kind of warm. All righty, here we go. Going first class on Hawaiian Airlines. Definitely a first for me. So I'm excited. Are you excited, Fatty?
Oh yeah, excited.
Are these it?
Get out of your way.
Hello.
Hello. Want to get in there?
Yeah. Let's get in here. Wow. Look at all this room we have. Got a pillow. Got a nice big seat. A lot of leg room. Wow. I could get used to this. So we have USB plugs down here. Then we have the call button and light down here, which I already accidentally called the lady. This right here, we push down. How do you do it?
Which one?
That's hard. This. Oh, we push down and it's for the tray table. Uh-oh, is mine stuck? Oh, there we go. It's the tray table right here. Oh, I'm not ready for it, but anyway, that's the tray table. And then this right here.
These are your seat adjustments.
Oh yeah, seat adjustments right here. Then this right here is a little divider. In case I don't want to talk to my husband. And then this right here comes out for my iPad so I could watch a movie. Woo-hoo. How do you put it down now? Oh, there you go. And then I got a footrest right here. I'm a little short, but it's comfortable. Then we have all that space down there. And just a bunch of leg room. And the seats recline somehow. They recline back. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, but this is so bad.
Oh, this comes up like this for my legs. Very nice. Oh, look at him. Oh my gosh. It goes all the way down. You could actually lay down and go to sleep. We get a blanket and a pillow. There's another blanket here. Then I got my own blanket or pillow because I get cold very easy. Look at you. Good night. There you go, laying down. All right, we got some complimentary Mai Tais right here. Check that out. Got Hawaiian music, Hawaiian videos playing. Got my iPad right over here. I got my snacks right over here. And then I got my book and my glasses right over here. All set. I'm laying down. Oh my gosh, it goes way low.
Got it?
Aloha Kako, all of us here at Hawaiian Airlines would like to extend to you a very warm aloha. Welcome aboard your Hawaiian Airlines flight number 9.
How you feel?
Directly for Honolulu,
I'm ready to
Oahu.
go to sleep.
And as you're getting settled, we'd like to ask that you place all of your personal carry-on articles either beneath the seat in front
This
of you
is so cool, you guys.
So you gotta hold it all the way back now.
Versus laptops and electronic notebooks. In placing your items in our overhead compartments, please use caution.
This is
As the
fun.
items may tend to shift during the flight and may fall out of the compartment when it's open. Placing your
Nice.
smaller items.
And then you can put it where you want.
So we get an iPad with movies on it, and we get some earphones, a tablecloth, because they're going to bring us dinner right now. I like this. We got some macadamium nuts. How do you say this?
Macadamia nuts?
Macadamium nuts. And then we have a drink called Tropical Landing, because they didn't have the pina colada, so let's see. Ooh. My cheeks are gonna get really red. I think this is what our salt and pepper comes in.
That's what it says.
It's like a little Hawaiian shirt. Oh, cool.
Salt and pepper.
Very cute. All right, for dessert, we have some chocolate mousse cake. I chose to drink some coffee with some cream and sugar. All right, this is a first class bathroom. Not much different from a regular one.
Remaining here in Honolulu, your baggage may be claimed at carousel number 11. Once again, your baggage may be claimed at carousel number 11. For those guests requesting wheelchair assistance, we do kindly ask that.
All right, so we just got to our hotel right now. It was so crazy on the airplane because, you know, we were in first class, first time in first class, and there was a fight on the airplane. I guess one man was in a hurry and pushed another man, and they just kind of like got into a scuffle. But yeah, I didn't see too much of it. It was just exciting to watch, especially on first class. You know, all these people look all business-like and everything, and it was funny. But anyway, we made it to our hotel, and I'll give you guys a little tour once we get all checked in. All right, you guys, this is our hotel room. 2 standard queen size beds. Not much of a view right now because it's dark outside. I'll show you guys that tomorrow. Nothing but buildings. TV with a little TV stand, little table.
Yeah, that's nice, huh?
Very nice. I mean, for one night, works out pretty good. There's the door. Got the bathroom right over here. Forgot to put the seat down. Oh, we got shampoos, conditioner, and what is it? Shower gel. We have a balcony? Oh, well, look at that. I didn't know we had a balcony. Thought it was just a window. Oh my gosh, it's high. Woo! Oh gosh.
It's nice at night.
Oh yeah, very nice. I mean, it's just a bunch of buildings, but
We got ocean view 2 days for the last week.
I walked right by this and I didn't even notice it, but we have a little ice bucket, we have a coffee maker, and we got a fridge.
Plastic cups.
Oh, here's the microwave right up here. Yeah, we're gonna walk over to the ABC store right now, grab some water. Ready for tomorrow. Good morning. It's the next day. We are getting ready to go on a little walk, then come back to the room, get ready, and head on to the port. But I wanted to show you guys the view out here. Really nothing but buildings, cars, rooftops. Not much of a view, but we didn't want to pay an arm and a leg for a beachfront hotel since we were only going to be here a couple of hours. We got here pretty late last night. I think it was like 11:30 by the time we got to the hotel. No, 10 p.m. by the time we got to the hotel. 11:30 by the time we fell asleep. And we woke up at 7 a.m. Oahu time. So we're going to walk over to the Waikiki beach, check things out, and then come back and get ready. Alrighty, we made it to Waikiki Beach. I think this is more the end of Waikiki. We could see Diamond Head way out there in the distance. It's sprinkling. The sun's out, it's warm, and it's sprinkling. Alright, this is a man-made lagoon that belongs to one of the hotels here. It's perfect for little kids to go swimming. There's very small fishies in there, nothing to worry about. And then they have those big floating bikes and also paddle boards. Perfect for people who are learning. Like, I would not know how to get on a paddle board, but this would be perfect for me to try. So cool. And it's really big too. And I lost my husband because he always leaves me. Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh, there he is. Way over there. All right, let's go find him. All right, so you could rent those paddle boarding things, the canoes or kayaks or whatever they're called, right here. And then you can rent these Aqua cycle, that's what they're called. I call them water tricycles. All right, this right here is where they have luau's. You could see the stage right there, and then all the tables and chairs. I'm not sure what hotel this is, but it's very nice. This is the front of the lagoon. Very cool. You see it sprinkling?
Yeah. Lagoon Tower. Grand.
All right, so I think this is the Grand Waikiki and the Lagoon Tower. That's where we're at right now. This is the center of the Grand Waikiki. So beautiful, wow. All right, this here is a Milo tree. It was planted by the armed forces. Very cool. It is hot and it's sprinkling and it feels amazing out here, and it's so beautiful, so green. Oh my goodness. Very, very pretty. And this hotel behind these trees is a military hotel. It's just for military people. It's called Halikoa Hotel. Halikoa Hotel. And it's just for military. Pretty cool. Alright, so we went on a nice long walk. We left around 8:30 a.m. and it's 10 after 10. And now we're heading back to the hotel to get ready because our check-in time at the cruise ship terminal is at 1:30. Then we'll be on the Pride of America.